it is time for another unboxing. I have this that just came in the mail today. This is like a Ray-Ban copy kind of thing. Better packaging than the last one, aside from the fact that the last ones had a case that came with them. Came in very handy on the river trip the other day. Those sunglasses were awesome. They were great. Cut down the glare and everything. It was spectacular. But anywho, again, just got this package in the mail, and we're going to do it again, unboxing it with a knife from Wish. This little puppy, D2 steel. I absolutely love this blade, aside from the fact that right there, I had to grind that down like a motherfucker. I'm probably going to still grind it down more and actually bring an indentation up in here so that way it's even flatter, because it still kind of nicks me on occasion. But here we go. Nice set of Polychromic Ray-Ban copies from Ajianfa Choyanggu, Beijing, China. Cool. Alright. Probably murdered that pronunciation of all of it, but oh well. Shit happens. Venue party naked. Even though I'm not naked. Technically I am underneath all of this. Let's see what's going on here. Holy fucker. Yeah, that's better. Open. So we have a box. Then we have bubble wrap package. These should be, I think it was the charcoal or sand was the description, kind of a matte black. Sticky shit. Alright. Here we go. Ooh. So far so good. Now this time I figured out, I brought a white plate. I'm just going to put them on these and show you what they are in the shade, and then go out in the sun with them and keep the camera on them the whole time. So we'll get to that. So they have the nice sunglass condom as per usual, and they are exactly as I ordered. So not bad. I like them. I don't know why I like the Ray-Ban style. I really don't. A lot of people hate it. My fiance, she can't stand it. And I was like, yeah, no, I might order one of these. She was just like, oh, just get the aviators. I don't like the Ray-Bans on you, but I kind of like them, you know. So we'll see if these do the whole transition dealio. Well, I'm just gonna cut the plate down so that way it fits. Alright, good. So, now let's see if I can switch the camera around. Alright, and off we go. Oh, and of course, cloud cover. A whole shit ton of it. Shit, look at that. Nothing but dark skies. The sun is there. It's not gonna... I don't think it's going to come out right now. Well, that was a shame. Yeah, we'll switch the camera around again. Well, even though there's no real sunshine to speak of, I like them. I can test to see if they are polarized. Let's see here. Alright, we got these here. Yep. Yep. You know, even even at, you know, $10, that's a damn good deal for some nice polarized sunglasses. I like them. I'm digging them. Happy buy. Happy buy right there. So, that's really all I got. Yeah. If you want to know where I got them, go ahead and put a comment. That's really all I got. That's really all I got. It was just a little unboxing and a little peekaboo at them, see what they're like. Next time it's a nice sunshiny day, I'll take them out and I'll do the same test. I'll get a white background for them, and we'll see how much they change. So that's all I've got for right now. Until next time, this has been Bucking Around with Bucky. Stay sharp, stay frosty. Peace.